So hello friends, welcome to Pinusure Photography. Now I am on my way to Latpuncture. I can see a lot of birds. The road is not good, but I will do bird photography in this area. I will tell you about the details. Okay, thank you for now.
Ever heard of one bird that changed the fate of a small village? Yes, the story is true. A few years ago, one famous birder of Siliguri spotted one bird, rufous snake hornbill, with the help of some local people. Soon, the spot became famous among the birders and photographers as well as tourists. Now there are so many homestays and hotels in that area. Yes, you guessed it right. I am talking about Latpuncture, and the bird is rufous snake hornbill. Latpuncture is a small hamlet near Siliguri, situated at a distance of about 40 km from Siliguri, and this place is famous for mainly rufous snake hornbill because it is found in very few places in India, and this rufous snake hornbill is really a beautiful bird, and I think it is one of the most beautiful among hornbills. Every year, rufous hornbill make a nest in a tree trunk hole for laying eggs in the month of April. Eventually, eggs hatch in the month of July, and then they leave the place. You will find a lot of other birds also, like different sunbirds, leaf birds, grey-headed canary flycatcher, blue-tailed broadbill, blue whistling thrush, red-headed trogon, blue-fronted redstart, and different raptors from time to time, and also important species frogmouth. Best time for birding is from February to May, and best time to spot rufous snake hornbill is April. So, how to reach there? You have to come to Siliguri first by train or by air. Siliguri is well connected to other parts of India. From Siliguri, you can hire a taxi from NJP station or junction, and fare will depend on the type of vehicle. It will take around 1.5 hours to reach Latpuncture from Siliguri, and the road is now under construction. I think within 1 or 2 years it will be completed, and you can spend 1 or 2 nights here for better experience. You will really love the place. It's a hilly region, so it will be slightly colder.
So friends, now I am on my way to Latpuncture, and this place is famous for rufous snake hornbill, and I will explore that area, and it is famous for birding. The road is not that good, but I am trying to capture the beauty of the road and surroundings, and also I will show you the birds that I will capture. And today I took one driver with me because in this road, the hilly road, the driving was difficult, and over and above that I have to keep an eye on the birds. So now reached the area Latpuncture, and this is the hornbill nest, and it is the famous hotel you will find here, fooding, lodging and fooding, and I am enjoying black tea here. Hope you will like this place. The road I took that was very broken road and very uncomfortable. But there is another road that is very smooth, and that will again go to Kaleshwara. So nice. And this hot, you can say kachuri or puri. We say luchi in Bengali. This is actually puri. This will be our breakfast for today.
Now it's time to see the Rufus Neck Hornbill. After having a sumptuous breakfast, I started walking downhill following our guide Premchand Daju. He showed us the way. The path was winding path going through the village. You can see the village houses, beautiful color, and the view is also very good. After walking almost 1.5 kilometer, then you will enter a jungle, a forest area, and that forest area actually falls under the purview of one of the wildlife sanctuary, and there you will find the Rufus Neck Hornbill. To walk in the hill after a full meal is not a good idea, and I realized that morning very well, and I will suggest that you first go for a walk and see the Rufus Neck Hornbill on an empty stomach, and after you return then you have your meal. That will be very satisfying, I think. Now we have reached the forest. You can see the narrow stretch of path. It is not a road, narrow stretch of path, and the forest is very dense. This is actually more than on the wildlife sanctuary. Our guide is actually local, so he is well acquainted with this path, and he is accustomed to work in the hilly regions, hilly terrain. So he was not walking, he was almost running, and I was following him, and it was very difficult to follow him also, as you can see. Now see the path, it's very narrow. The right side is very steep.
I am just now almost breathless. I am going downhill, then I am almost breathless. Now I have to return, and what will happen then? I don't know whether this is worth it for this Rufus Hornbill or not. I saw a group of photographers, I think some foreigners also, and from other places of India. They have come also for that hornbill also. So they are elderly also. So if they can come, why not me? That gives me energy seeing those elderly people here. So now I will show you the tree. The nearby tree, you can see the first tree is a fruit bearing tree. But also you can't see from here, and that is a tree where hornbill will come in this tree, this one. So I have to wait here for the bird, and after that also it depends on luck. If I am lucky, then I get to see the bird. If I am not lucky, then probably it won't happen, but I have to accept it, because that's the case with wildlife. It is based on purely luck, but you have to try. Maybe you can see the hornbill, and all the discomfort, all the difficulties that I am doing, that will be repaid with just a view glimpse of that rufous hornbill. Again, it's raining, and it's very difficult to shoot birds here. It's cloudy weather, light is low. Trees you can see now, those are cinchona plants. From cinchona, quinine is prepared, the medicine for malaria. You see those small trees, those are cinchona trees. Just now got one sikra. Raju, sabdan. Just now got one sikra at a distance, and as you can see, the weather is cloudy there, and it's already raining. Though I have no problem with my gear, Olympus gear is weather seal. I need not worry about that gear. And then, but the thing is that due to rain and cloudy weather, I cannot shoot birds. Very difficult to get good shot. Now waiting for trogon, rated trogon, and for seeing trogon there are almost 20-25 people sitting in the car because of the rain. We cannot go out in the car, and as you can see, it's raining almost in this month of March. It's raining, and in hills this is the season, and you can't tell when it will rain or when it will be sunny weather. So that is the weather of the hill, so you have to bear with it. And now we are waiting for the rated trogon. Let's see what happens. I could not see rufous hornbill. Waited for almost 1.5 hours there and could not see. So at least if I can get the rated trogon, then it will be very nice. Consolation, big consolation for me. Now returning back from art function and got some good images of various birds, especially rated trogon, both male and female, and also some leopards. The only thing I miss is the rufous neck hornbill. Maybe next time I'll try for that bird.